Ready to uncover hidden gems on Redfin that could turn into serious profit? Let's dive right in. First, head over to redfin.com. We're going to target properties that scream opportunity. Start by setting your search parameters to your desired location. I'm looking at a Phoenix, Arizona market today. Now, the key is to refine your search. Focus on lower-priced homes. Why Euro? These are often ripe for wholesale. Select houses or townhomes and set a maximum price, something below the average for the area you are searching. Next, sort by days on market. Longer listings are more likely to have motivated sellers. Look for listings that are 90 days or longer. Now the fun part. Start analyzing the listings. Look closely at the photos. Is there peeling paint, overgrown landscaping, or outdated fixtures? These are all signs of potential distress. Scour the property description for keywords like fixer-upper, TLC needed, or motivated seller. These phrases often indicate the seller is eager to make a deal. Also, keep an eye out for cash only, as this hints at issues preventing traditional financing, creating an opportunity for a quick cash offer. Finally, zoom out on the map to get a broader perspective. Are there clusters of these potentially distressed properties in specific neighborhoods? This could indicate a concentrated area of opportunity. Remember to always do your due diligence and run your numbers. Don't be afraid to reach out to the listing agent and express interest. Redfin's a powerful tool. Now go out there and find your next wholesale deal.